Hello everyone. Look at that. What do we have here? For those who don't know, because who knows what that is. Those who don't know, this is a very expensive Fairchild. Is a very expensive compressor. It's tube compressor. And it can cost tens of thousands of dollars. 35,000 costs new. A vintage one can cost even $100,000. And Behringer has decided to ask us all what do we think about that recreation. And its price will be kept under $1,500. This is fantastic. Behringer, do it. Please in mid-side mode. Thank you for watching.